Welcome to our video on how to use Correx Lo Self-Leveling Filler. This system can be used to level and fill in a variety of horizontal surfaces, including acrylic, fiberglass, porcelain, ceramic, concrete, and stone. In this video, we'll show you how to use Correx Lo to level and fill each surface. Use it to level horizontal surfaces. It can also be used to fill in gaps in concrete and stone. The Correx Lo repair system possesses a very low odor, is rapid curing and self-leveling, has a short return to service time, achieves Sure D hardness after curing, and is an easy 1-to-1 mix ratio. With any surface repair project, Hawk recommends the use of appropriate safety equipment. Please review material safety data sheets prior to using the products. For optimal performance, store, mix, and apply Correx Lo at room temperature. Allow product to cure in well-ventilated ambient conditions and do not force dry. Note that pot life is roughly 10 minutes, so it's best to work in small batches. Correx Lo is pourable but can also be applied with a trowel or squeegee. Acrylic and fiberglass repairs. To prepare acrylic or fiberglass, clean with MicroClean Step 1. Use 180 grit sandpaper to create a surface profile and then clean again with Surface Wash Cleaner. Once prepped, blend the Correx Lo system by combining 1 part of Part A with 1 part of Part B. Mix quickly and thoroughly. Be sure to work in small batches as you will only have roughly 10 minutes of working time once combined. Apply mixed material directly to the prepped surface. For this example, we poured it directly into the divot on the acrylic panel. Hawk specially formulated Correx Lo to have a quick return to service time. You can sand your repair after 20 minutes, and then Pro-Fill can be applied to cover up any pinholes or imperfections left by sanding. Concrete and stone repairs. Correx Lo can be used to fill hairline or larger cracks in cement, stone, and similar materials. Be sure to test the substrate for moisture prior to application using one of the standard moisture tests: the plastic square, a calcium chloride kit, or a relative humidity test. Prep the repair area by abrading with a diamond wheel or wire brush. Be sure to remove all dirt, debris, grease, and any other contaminants. Correx Lo can be applied with or without aggregate. For hairline cracks, apply the system directly. For larger cracks, add aggregate to act as a filler. To apply with aggregate as a filler, mix aggregate with parts A and B separately in a 4-to-1 to 6-to-1 ratio, depending on the thickness you want to achieve. Then combine them together in a 1-to-1 ratio. Due to the thicker consistency, spread mixture evenly across the crack in the concrete and slightly overfill. The aggregate may also extend the curing time. Once dry, sand with a diamond blade for a smooth finish. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to use the Correx Lo Self-Leveling Filler system.